Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I'm going to take some of these giant bunny ears I actually found at Walmart. I got them at Walmart because, as you can see, they're a lot bigger than the ones from Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make a big bunny sign for my front door. So this is what we're going to use, one of the $3 wood rounds from Dollar Tree Plus, and one of the little wood Easter words from Dollar Tree as well. And I wanted to make a really beautiful, like thick wood round sign for my front door or entryway. So about halfway through the wood round, I'm just going to tape it off with some painter's tape. And we're going to go in and stain this beautiful wood. I really love these wood rounds. They're such better quality than the $1.25 ones. So for $3, definitely worth it if you can find some of these. So I just use Antique Wax by Waverly all over, just a really quick stain. I get that at Walmart, and then I wiped off the excess with a paper towel. I thought it was a little darker than I normally go, so I did go over it with a baby wipe as well to lighten it slightly. And that has half the sign stained, and then I want to do the other half of the wood round painted to do a really cute little happy Easter sign. And I want it to look like a bunny head, so we're going to paint the top part white. The bunny ears that I got at Walmart, they were like, I think $2.48 for the giant bunny ears, are white. And so I thought that would go well together. And we can do like half of the sign's going to say happy, half the sign's going to say Easter, and then we'll have the big bunny ears coming out of the top. Easter is going to go on the bottom half, so I'm going to go ahead and paint that white as well. And I want to get it as clean as I can. I probably shouldn't have used a brush on that, but I just used a toothpick to kind of clean up any mess from that. And I really want the top part to be solid white, so I made sure to go over that for full coverage. Just using my heat gun to speed up the drying time, and look at that clean line. The painter's tape did really well. The only bleeding I had was like on the edges there, but it was easy enough to clean that up. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the Easter word here to the bottom half of the wood round. And then I'm going to use Dollar Tree letters to spell out the word happy. And I'm going to just go ahead and paint those with a paint pen. I have some of these pink or pastel Posca paint pens, and they had a soft pink color in there. So cute. My favorite paint pens. They work so well. And this is a great way to paint those letters. That's probably the easiest I've ever painted those letters. So we just did those pink to kind of match with, like, the inside of the bunny ears, nice and pink. And it's just a matter of hot gluing these on. I'm not going to measure anything. I'm just going to do like the center letter, kind of make sure that is centered, and then we can fill in the rest of the letters as needed, just kind of spacing those out the best that we can. Once I get all of that hot glue to the sign, we can start working on the bunny ears. These things are really big, and they kind of have like a plastic coating on the bunny ears, so I think they'll hold up well if I hang this on my front door. I think I might hang it in my entryway though, but I just cut off my giant bunny ears as close as I can to the headband. You don't have to cut through wire or anything like that, so that was pretty easy. Then I'm gonna, put it on the very back of the wood round. This is so thick that I can use my staple gun to just staple that to the back. So I'm gonna have it kind of coming out both sides. And as you can see, there's a double hanger on that already, like a sawtooth hanger. So you don't have to worry about that either. I love these because you can bend them. So I'm going to bend one of mine to kind of curl it to give it a little bit of character. And I just made sure to staple mine as much as I could so that I didn't really have any movement with them. And this is how it turned out, our little Happy Easter wood round. I love it. I hope you do too. If you'd like more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. Happy crafting!